Shotgun. Am I lighting up here? I've been shot 3 times so far on this microphone. We're going to do a new song. I got a new CD called Elevator Man. We're going to do this off a little mambo thing I wrote with Walt Richmond and Mr. Charles Tupperville. A song called Schoolgirl. Charles, still in the house. Grab your guitar. Got Casey Van Beek and Mr. Ronnie Mack up here. B flat. This is mambo and B flat.
Hey, Tupperville, come up here a minute, please.
Right, here's another one off the CD thing called Jesus Loves Me, Baby, Why Don't You? Original thing. Thank you so much. We'll do one more. I'm gonna do one more here and get out of here. I'm getting shocked. My eyes bleeding. I just got shocked. Boy, key of B, slow blues. Key of B. Take a boy. Can you feel the blues for Jimmy Shark, can you now? There's something we can do.